The first thing you're going to do is type in Uba Booga Web UI. Go to this GitHub link right here, this green button right here, and click Download Zip. Now you should have this text generation web UI main.zip in your downloads folder. Extract it to the file that you want to have it in. For me, that's just my home folder. So then I'll extract and then go to my home folder and it'll be right there. You'll probably want to rename it to something else. For me, mine is just named LLM. Okay, so then you'll open up your terminal on your computer. If you don't know how to do that on your device, just look it up. CD into the folder name that you have. Okay, so then once you're in the right directory, you'll might need to run this chmod line where it lets you run things that are unfamiliar. Chmod plus update underscore linux.sh. That's Linux for me. It'll be different depending on what your operating system is. But then you need to do this for the update and the start file. Okay, so chmod update, chmod start, and then now you can actually run /start and /update files. Run the /start file, and if it's the first time you're using it, it'll ask you what your GPU is. It'll probably say somewhere on your computer what your GPU is, and it'll take a little bit to set up, but otherwise it'll just start running right away. Okay, so copy this link right here and then just paste it into your web browser and it should look like this without this. So let me clear up the last stuff and go to the model page. Type in the bloke into Google and then go to this guy's Hugging Face page. This is basically where all the big models are. This guy is working seemingly around the clock to get all the models up and easy for you to use. But if you're a noob like me, you probably only want to use GGUF models. So that's only going to be 708 of them. I wouldn't recommend trying to download a model that's like 30 billion parameters. I would recommend only downloading models that are 13 or 7 billion. Okay, so this would be an example of a good model to download because it's 7 billion and a GGUF. It is an alpha, so it's probably not going to be as good. If you want to know about what the purpose of the model is, just click on this Starling or this original model thing right here. It'll say original model, and for this one, it's obviously the same name as what it says up here. You copy this right here and then paste it into this model page, and then you scroll right down here and there's a bunch of different options, and so depending on your performance of your computer, you'll want to choose which one of these based on, generally, if it's like a big model, you probably want to choose one at the top. If it's a smaller model, and then you can probably choose one at the bottom, and you have a good computer, you want to choose one at the bottom. But anyway, I generally just go with this recommended one that's like the third largest. And then you have to copy this name of this, and generally that's kind of a weird mechanic because like you can't really copy it because it's a link, so you have to copy it. Anyway, you copy the name of it, and then I had to backspace there because I also had copied some space. I copied this space anyway. So then you have this set up, and then you press download and it'll start to download. You can track the progress of the download and view the size of the file on your terminal. Once it's done downloading, you should be able to refresh this page and then it'll be right there. Click it, load, and it'll just take a quick second, and then you'll be able to use it. However, you probably do want to adjust some of the parameters. Right now there's a max tokens of 200 characters, so you can play around with this and make it a little bit longer. I don't think that you on most models can go like higher than 2,000. And well, that's pretty much it. If you liked the video, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to the channel.